Hey guys, welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Diri Kole with pois rouge. That's right guys, red beans and rice. If this is a recipe that you're interested in, keep on watching. Now these are the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe. Alright, so the first step is to cook your beans. I had my beans cooking in the pressure cooker for about 30 minutes. Here I'm going to try it to make sure that it's cooked. You want to grab the bean and you want to squeeze it. If it's still a little firm when you squeeze it, it's perfect for the rice. Now this is a visual of everything that you will need: your beans, your coconut milk, your epice, your thyme, your rice, your freshly smashed up garlic with your green onions. Guys, y'all know I love this thing. If you've been watching me long enough, you know I live by this pilon. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and drop in your beans that you had cooked in the pressure cooker, and you want to let that fry up just like so. Let it bubble up just like this. Drop in your freshly smashed up green onion and your garlic. Let it go for a little bit. Then you want to drop in your epice. This will help the beans soak up all of that Caribbean flavor and goodness, guys. Work that epice and the garlic all in there. Let it fry up. As long as it's not burning, just let it, do its thing. Fry up while you're stirring, okay? This is a step that you don't want to miss, because I don't know about you guys, if you ever had beans and rice and the rice is the only thing that have the flavor, but when you bite into the beans it's not all that flavorful, is because they skipped this part, guys. They totally was like, I'm gonna just do whatever. But guys, you want to go ahead and drop in the rest of the beans, drop in the rest of your water. Here's another little tip, guys. If your rice is not brown enough for you, you can add a little bit browning, okay? Here I dropped in my coconut milk, and then I'm dropping in my Scotch bonnet pepper, and then you want to go ahead and drop your rice. From my previous video, you guys know that 1 cup of rice is 2 cups of water. So for every 1 cup of rice that you're cooking, you're adding 2 cups of water. So if you're adding 2 cups of rice, you're adding 4 cups of water. That is the ratio. So go ahead and cover it up, and voila, here you go with your fresh cook tasty yummy rice. That's all it takes to cook some brown rice. If you need more help, let me know. Put it in the comment section, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because I have more recipes coming. Bye.